Ever tried scraping Google search results for a project only to get instantly blocked by CAPTCHAs, IP bans, or messy HTML that changes every week? It's a massive headache. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're looking at SERP API, a real-time API designed to scrape Google and other search engines without the hassle. In this video, we'll break down what it does, look at its core features, and help you decide if it's the right data extraction tool for you. So what actually is SERP API? Simply put, it's a tool that does the heavy lifting of web scraping for you. Instead of writing complex code to bypass Google's defenses, SERP API handles the proxies, solves the CAPTCHAs, and processes the raw web pages. It then hands you back clean, structured JSON data that you can easily plug into your own apps, websites, or research tools. Let's talk features. SERP API isn't just for basic search links. It scrapes incredibly rich data. For example, if you search for something local, like coffee in Austin, Texas, the API doesn't just return a list of websites. It can extract detailed local map results, GPS coordinates, star ratings, review counts, and even price ranges. You can customize your searches by device, like desktop or mobile, and target incredibly specific geographic locations. All of this comes back in a beautifully organized JSON tree, meaning you don't have to spend hours writing custom parsers for messy HTML. It's fast, complete, and handles multiple search engines. Now, let's keep it completely honest. When looking at the pros, the biggest advantage is convenience. Managing your own proxy networks and CAPTCHA solvers is expensive and time-consuming. SERP API completely removes that barrier. As for the cons and user feedback, to be fully transparent, we have limited external user review data to share with you today. However, generally speaking, with API tools like this, potential downsides usually come down to dependency. When you rely on a third-party API, your application is subject to their uptime, response times, and pricing tiers as your search volume scales. If you are doing massive enterprise-level scraping, you'll want to carefully calculate your budget against their pricing structure. Overall, if you need reliable, real-time search engine data without the nightmare of maintaining your own scrapers, SERP API is a highly capable and feature-rich tool to look into. But I want to hear from you. Have you used SERP API for your projects, or do you prefer building your own scrapers? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tool reviews, and head over to serpapi.com to check it out for yourself. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.